In today's video, I'll teach you how to use NotebookLM on desktop. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in notebooklm.google, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of NotebookLM. You'll not be able to find the application to download on desktop, so what you have to do is use it on the browser. Click on this option, try NotebookLM, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. You can see over here you'll be able to start using NotebookLM. If you've opened it on Google, you can see over here you'll automatically be logged into your account. Now over here you'll be able to find various options. You can create a new notebook if you want. Simply click on this option, create new notebook. Now after that you'll be able to create a new notebook for yourself. You can see over here you'll be able to ask a question or create something. Simply click on the message box. After you do that, you can drop your question over here. Now press enter in order to send it. Likewise, you'll be able to add the sources by clicking on this option, add sources. You can also search the web for the new sources. Likewise, in the studio section, you'll be able to find the features like audio overview, slide deck, video overview, etc. You can also use these features if you want. You can also access the settings by clicking on this option, settings. So like this, you'll be able to use it. So that is how you use NotebookLM on desktop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.